If you want to learn how to make vegan sprinkles for your cupcakes, cakes, or other desserts, then stick around, you enjoy this video. Hi, welcome back to the Berkeley Chef channel. I'm Kayla Berkeley, and today I'm going to show you how to make vegan sprinkles for your cupcakes, desserts, and more. So let's get started. So we have 3 cups of icing sugar, and we're gonna add a tablespoon at a time of aquafaba. So you want to mix till the icing sugar has a nice pipable texture. Okay, so we're almost done here. Then you want to take some icing and put them into the amount of bowls needed. I tried juices at first, but it didn't turn out, then I switched to powder. I put a little beet powder and turmeric and then stirred it up. For the blue, I used blue magic powder. For the green, I add mint powder, and then after I add spirulina powder to make it more dark green. Then I put it in a plastic bag and then start piping. I used wax paper so the sprinkles could dry on it. So I did the yellow, the blue, the nice green, the red, and the brown and white.
A Berkeley Chef interruption.
Hi, I'm Kayla Berkeley, and I wanted to take a moment to tell you about this great brain-tastic puzzle book 1 here. These 42 puzzles in this one book are great for road trips, vacations, or on your spare time, and much more. These puzzles are brain-tastic and will help with spelling and memory skills, so make sure to grab this awesome puzzle book 1 on Amazon.com. You can also find the link in the description. Thank you for your support. After you leave it to dry overnight, so now we have our sprinkles and it looks good so far. We're going to fold up the rest. I'll show you how to do it. Roll it up. And then you take it and pour it into your container. You can use a fork to crush up the sprinkles if you would like it smaller. I finished completing the rest of these sprinkles. It looked awesome. 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 Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to share this video with your friends and family and give it a like. And if you want to see more videos of me, you can click up here and subscribe to our channel by clicking here. And we'll see you next time. Bye!